Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect to Ford Flex Bluetooth. First, make sure your Ford Flex is safely parked and the ignition is on. Next, grab your mobile device and ensure its Bluetooth feature is activated. Then, navigate to the Sync System menu on your vehicle's central display screen. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth connection process, allowing your vehicle and phone to communicate effectively and begin the pairing journey. Once in the Sync menu, choose the option to add device or pair device. Your Ford Flex will then generate a unique 6-digit PIN. Verify that this same PIN appears on your mobile device's screen. Confirm the match on both devices to authorize the connection. After successful confirmation, your phone's name will be listed as a connected device within the Sync system, ready for use. With your device successfully paired, you can now enjoy the full benefits of Bluetooth connectivity. Make hands-free phone calls using simple voice commands or by selecting contacts directly on the Sync screen. You can also stream your favorite music, podcasts, or audiobooks directly through your vehicle's sound system. Conveniently control the volume and skip tracks using the intuitive buttons on your steering wheel. Should you encounter any connection difficulties, a few simple steps can often resolve them. First, try restarting both your mobile phone and the Ford Flex's Sync system. Sometimes, removing older, unused paired devices from the Sync memory can also improve performance. For more detailed guidance or persistent issues, always refer to your Ford Flex Owner's Manual, which provides specific instructions for your vehicle model.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.